How to activate the Canadian Tire Mastercard online. Hey guys, and let's get started. If you want to activate your Canadian Tire's Mastercard, the steps are quite simple. You just have to tap open any of your preferred browser and search for ctfs.com. This will take you to the homepage of Canadian Tire Mastercard. Then tap on the menu option on the top right. Now under credit cards, select on activate your credit card. You have two options, either activate without logging in or activate after signing in. Choose the option and tap on continue. If you know your password, tap on the first link. If not, tap on I do not know my PIN. Please note, if you have supplementary card, activation can only be completed by the owner's card. For the third option, now you can activate your card. It requires simple steps. First one would be your 16-digit credit card. Second would be your 3-digit security code. Then tap on continue. Once it is verified, you can now generate your PIN or generate your 4-digit PIN. So this is all for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you and keep watching.